In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize charts in Microsoft Word. Charts are a fantastic way to visually communicate data, making your documents clearer and more engaging. To get started, open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the chart to appear. At the top of the screen, you'll notice the ribbon. Click on the Insert tab, which gives you access to various graphic options. Within this tab, look for the Illustrations group, and you'll see a button labeled Chart. Clicking this opens the Insert Chart dialog box, where your data journey begins. On the left side of this window, you'll find multiple chart types, including column, line, and pie charts. Consider which type best represents your data, then select the style that matches your preferences and click OK. Your chart will now appear in your document, and an Excel spreadsheet will automatically open alongside it. This spreadsheet contains sample data, which you'll want to replace with your actual information. Update the series names, categories, numbers, and headings so everything reflects your content accurately. Once your data is entered, closing the Excel window will immediately update your chart in Word. Now that your chart is in place, notice the quick access buttons that appear next to it. The plus sign allows you to add or remove chart elements, such as titles, labels, and legends. The paintbrush icon lets you experiment with styles, apply effects, or change the color scheme. The funnel icon helps manage which data points are displayed without deleting them from the Excel sheet. For more advanced adjustments, explore the Chart Design tab. Here you can quickly change the layout, apply new colors, select different chart styles, or even switch to another chart type. The Edit Data button reopens the Excel sheet if you need to modify your numbers or labels. With these tools, creating and customizing charts in Microsoft Word becomes a smooth and rewarding process, giving your documents a professional and visually appealing edge. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.